In this video, we'll delve into posting groups in Dynamics 365 Business Central. You'll learn their purpose and how to set them up effectively. Posting groups are a fundamental part of Business Central. They serve as categories that classify accounts based on their posting behavior. Posting groups help organize and simplify financial reporting. They ensure transactions are posted to the correct accounts. Properly configured posting groups enhance accuracy and efficiency. They're vital for financial management and compliance. To create posting groups, navigate to the chart of accounts in Business Central. For each group, specify the ID, name, and nature: income, expense, asset, liability, equity. Assign posting groups to individual accounts from their account cards. This determines how transactions are posted. Posting groups interact with other modules. They affect financial statements, trial balances, and budgeting. Posting groups drive automatic posting. Accounts with the same group are posted together. We'll explore common scenarios and practical examples of posting groups in action. Follow these practices to optimize posting group management. Maintain a manageable number of posting groups and use descriptive names for easy understanding. Assign meaningful names to posting groups to make identification and navigation easier. Posting groups are essential for accurate and efficient financial management in Business Central. Posting groups facilitate account organization, ensure accurate posting, and enhance financial reporting. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to GOMS Tech Talks channel for more videos. Join the community to access exclusive videos. Come back tomorrow to learn about chart of accounts in Business Central.